Little quick video on replacing the rear wheel speed sensor. You'll need a T25. The way I got mine set up is just like that because I couldn't get a regular screwdriver into it. Small working room. Now I'm replacing the passenger rear. You'll also need I believe a 7mm to take the brackets off, this bracket here. And you just want to follow it up, take the little grommet off, take the little clip off there. That'll be this connector right there that you want to unplug. It's going to be a little push pin, a pin that you got to slide out while push down, then unplug. Now if you want to see what it looks like from underneath of it, right there, you can see where the hole's at. I'm going to take the little T25 out. You're going to get all your clips undone. I don't know how well I can show it, but there's the connector. That red tab you want to pull back and push that middle tab inwards while unplugging it. You do have a little clip there, mounts right there. Then you do have another clip right there that just opens up and slides out. A little rubber grommet piece, this piece here, that just pulls right out.